Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Facebook. We click on settings. Here in this list we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Facebook app and you can click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Facebook and then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget